So we still have some sample problem here. So this is a sample problem for the analysis of indeterminate frame. So we have here an indeterminate frame. So for the method of consistent deformation applied to this type of structure will just be the same as what we did from the analysis of determinate beams. Okay, so this same concept will be applied. You just have to take note the degree of indeterminacy. So for this case, we have four unknowns, so the degree of indeterminacy is 1. So we have to choose one unknown or one redundant. I mean one one. We just have to choose one unknown to be our redundant. So in this case, the redundant force was chosen to be equal to AX. So we tried to remove AX here, and the corresponding primary structure became this. So after removing AX, the joint A will just have a vertical reaction, making it like a roller. Okay, and then after removing the redundant force AX, we have to return it. Okay, we have to return it, and then this will be the corresponding response of the structure if we will apply an external load equal to the redundant force. And again, for simplicity of solution, we can express this in terms of a unit load multiplied by the redundant force AX. Okay, and again, it will revolve in computing this amount of deflection and this amount of deflection, and their corresponding sum must equal to the deflection of the original given structure on that particular point, which is the joint A. Okay, so again, you can use different methods to compute for these deflections, but for me, the most convenient method is the unit load method, or the virtual work method. Okay, so you can just refer to this figures and solutions here that came from Kasimali to know the final answer. So the final answer will be equal to this. So these are the unknown reactions, and for the solution, you can just refer to Kasimali. Okay, so if we will be required to draw the shear diagrams as well as the bending moment diagrams, we can easily do so after computing the unknown reactions. Okay, so that's it. I think we were able to uh, attain our goal for this discussion. I hope at this moment you already understood the principle of method of consistent deformation, as well as you will now be able to analyze indeterminate structure using the method of consistent deformation or force method. Other name for method of consistent deformation is force method. Okay, so that's all for this discussion. Thank you for listening. If you have any concern, you can reach me here on Messenger or in via email. So thank you for listening, and good day to everyone.